recently I bought some new plants. Let's see how much it costs to fill them up. Today I want to make spicy roasted pig trotter. Let's head to the meat store to pick one out. 看一下这个猪蹄，这个是前蹄吗？
前的后手，后的那个是没有肉的了。
啊，这个是后的对吧？
要哪个？
我想要前的。
要这个。
啊，这个就一买就一整个对吧？
这里有开边的。
哦，
要一边吗？
要一边的，对。
19块3。
好。我想要买点瘦肉，买5块钱，做点肉丸。
做肉丸？
对。
那就拿嫩一点的给你了。
可以呀，可以呀。
这个5块9可以吗？
我想要用那个吧，用你小一点，4块8。啊，这个可以帮我就是剁一下。
搅碎。
对，搅碎一下。
我搅下面肉，那我装一起给你了。
好，谢谢。All right, the meat is salted. Time for vegetables. 我买个西红柿。
好食啊嗰啲。
这个3个。
係啊。啱佢話事咯，話食過。
感覺這個很紅哎。
啊？是這樣的嗎？是這樣的。
哦。
夠了。
先買2個了。
你賣到幾個都不怕，這個很好吃的。沒有打過藥的嗎？
嗯，我再買個胡蘿蔔。買個小點的。
這個可以了，不老不嫩，好吃嗎？也不大。7塊6一個。
玉米可以幫我撥一下米粒嗎？
搞這樣。
嗯，
可以的。
哦。多怎麼賣？3塊。一個。嗯，一個就行。1塊7。微信收看1.7。Well, there are many aunties. There are good deals.
我上次在你这里买了，所以我
这买东西特别便宜。
你这个挺好。
哎呀，好吃！那天我。
你说的对。
買2個吧。
真係光啦，祝你食得開心。
OK，可以買下玫瑰啦，完美。Okay, let's go home. All the ingredients are here. Let's start cooking. First, let's clean the pig trotter. This is my first time buying trotters in Guangdong. Locally, the front trotters are called pig's hands, while the hind ones are pig's feet, and firmer texture due to the pig's active use of them. Perfect for roasting. Plus, they are rich in collagen, great for skin health. Growing up, my parents raised pigs in our backyard. Every year, we'd fatten one up. A few days before the New Year, my mom would hire a butcher to slaughter it. The pig would squeal loudly before being cleaned and hung up. I always got scared during pig slaughters, so I'd lock myself in my room to dodge the grease stuff. Luckily, a pro butcher could wrap it up in 30 minutes flat. The butcher would prepare the meat according to their requests, and villagers who got wind of the news would arrive early to buy the fresh cuts. Mom would split the head for my uncles, keep some meat and trotters for us, and sell the rest at the market. She used to stew trotters with soybeans, a nutritious dish that warms you up in winter. It always reminds me of home. Tomato meatball soup is another festival. The combo of vitamin-rich tomatoes and protein-packed meat is both healthy and comforting. Summer has officially arrived in Guangdong, with temperatures steadily climbing and sweat pouring more easily. The heat often dampens appetites, but starting with a bowl of soup can kickstart your cravings. The tomatoes simmer until they melt into liquid, creating a deliciously refreshing dish that's perfect for reigniting your hunger. When I'm cooking for myself, I keep shaping the meat into perfect balls. It's still tasting amazing. For the main course, ask the vendor to check the corners. Corn, the golden staple, pairs perfectly with carrots in fried rice. Lastly, a simple mashed potato to match my cute little bowl. I toast in leftover carrots for extra nutrients. Dish sampling complete. Now we can start eating. The roasted trotter is crispy and fragrant. A bite of corn-fried rice. A spoonful of tomato soup. Perfect harmony. Funny story. Once our pig escaped its pen while I was home alone. It rained in the yard, and I was terrified. I couldn't reach Mom, so I just stayed there crying. When she returned, she swiftly handed it back and reinforced the pen. Moms are superheroes. I'm full. See you next time.